Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine, and we also have a 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in bright white. It looks great. You do have the Jeep badging up front here with those chrome accenting on the grille. You also have halogen quad headlights right there, and you do have your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires. Lots of tread left on them, and the rims look great. You got those heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back here, we do have our Laredo badging, Jeep, and 4x4. You also have the parking sensors back here, and you can open it up just like this. Looks fantastic back here. Lots of room for storage. You got some extra storage in here and here. You can also just lift this up like this, and you got your spare tire under there in case you did ever need it. Okay, so we got our keys. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have your panic button right there. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, you can just put your hand in there, it will unlock. Plus you got the button there if you did want to lock it. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Got a big chrome accenting on the handle and kind of a wood finish here. Handle. You have some leather for your arm, and you do have some storage down here at the water bottle holder. Looks great in here, very comfortable. I do like the seats, very soft, good for long car trips. Down here you do have your lumbar support, as well as the electric seat, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt. And then over here we do have the controls of our lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here, and you press it in for your fog lights. Right up here you do have the controls of your windshield wipers, turning signals, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up here. So, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have, which is 37,000, not too bad at all. You can also cycle through some different stuff. So you do also have your screen set up, your messages, your audio, your stop-start, your trip A and B, you got your fuel economy, you got your vehicle info, and your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options down here, horn in the center, and your cruise control right there. And over here we do have our touchscreen display, so we got our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM all in there. You got your media devices if you have one hooked up through your aux cord, Bluetooth, or your USB. You also have your climate control here, so you have a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your Uconnect apps right here as well, so you got all sorts of different guys in there. I'd recommend looking through them. You got your phone options right here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, your compass, and you also have your settings right there as well. Then down here we do have our volume up and down with the power, mute. You have your hazard lights, screen off, and your browser over there. You have your AC, circulation, heat up and down. You got your power off auto, front and rear defrost. You also have your parking sensors, your stop start, your eco, your sport mode, and you also have your traction control. Right here you can press that button, and there's some storage in there with aux cord and USB plugins. Got your gear shift right here, and when you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Some cup holders here, and you do have some storage right there. Got your top layer top layer there, and your bottom layer right there for your armrest. Then over here in your glove box, you do have a locking glove box. Lots of room in there with your owner's manual inside of it. And up top, you do have some lights and a sunglass holder. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you have that same chrome accenting, the same wood, as well as the handle, the control of your windows, and you do have another little storage container for a water bottle there. Lots of room back here. It does seat 5 people altogether. Very soft. You can fold this down. You got your armrest with some cup holders right there. You can also pull this little guy right here, and this folds down like that. Then you got extra room if you did need it. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. If you want to take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.